Hello, my name is Stacie, and welcome to Aspen Relaxation and Meditation. In today's episode, I am going to guide you into a restful sleep by taking you on a relaxing train ride through the beautiful countryside. Find a comfortable position now and make sure that you will not be disturbed so you can get a restful sleep. Get as comfortable as you can, and at any time along the way you need to reposition yourself to get even more pleasant sleep, you can do so. Begin to let go all of the tension that you have built up throughout the day. Any worries that you have accumulated seem to lose their power and intensity as you settle down for the night. Feeling cozy now, allow your breath to begin to slow down with each breath that you take. Taking a deep inhale and exhale. Letting your breath return now to normal, just observe your mind and how it is thinking of various things about your life and your day. Observe how visual moments flash in and out of your mind, or maybe you feel them. You may be able to hear sounds with your thoughts as they present themselves. Letting the images from your life fade now. Bringing into your imagination that you are walking towards a long train. The train is parked along the countryside. The engine of the train is stopped at an old station in the middle of nowhere, and the long train extends into the horizon. You are walking several sections back, and you notice an open car. You see the workers getting ready to depart, and the steam blowing out of the engine. You hop on the open train car and find your seat. You hear the train horn blowing and the sounds of distant voices calling, "All aboard!" You snuggle into your seat and it is perfectly comfortable. You are positioned in a way that you are gazing out an open window into nature. As you sit back, waiting for the train to begin to roll, you look around the car and notice all of the details. The weather is perfectly mild and soothing. Notice everything as vividly as you can. You feel slight vibrations as the train powers up, and you hear its mighty engine hissing as it builds enough power to pull the massive weight. Soothing station bells begin to ring, alerting that the train is leaving the station. The car begins to roll very slowly, and you take a deep breath of relief because you know you are in for a long, relaxing ride. The vibrations under you get stronger because the train is increasing in speed. You can hear the relaxing sounds of the wheels turning along the tracks. The station bells get louder as your car passes by this small station in the middle of nowhere. And then they pass by and the ringing sounds get fainter in the distance until you can no longer hear them. The vibrations under you are strong, yet soothing. They even out into a relaxing hum as the train has reached a safe and steady speed for the long journey. As you gaze outside, it is still light, but it will be sunset very soon. You can see out both sides of this train car, making for the most beautiful views you have ever seen. You see the ground close to you passing by very quickly, and the trees nearby passing a little slower, and in the distance some rolling mountains are moving even slower as you pass by. Look out into this nature and just really enjoy its beauty. The sun is beginning to meet the horizon, setting behind a soft, rolling mountain range in the distance. The colors that this sunset begins to create for you are breathtaking. The pinks and yellows of the sky fade into the bright blue, then into the deep blue of the night. The gentle mountain range gives off hues of green and blues and grays. The sundown is reflecting colors of purples mixed with oranges now as it dips below the mountains. Meadows of warm golden colors are passing by the train, and every now and then an old giant oak tree passes by you, standing proudly in the sprawling fields of gold. This view is mesmerizing, and you are not thinking about anything other than the beauty you are witnessing. You are getting more and more relaxed and feeling grateful for these beautiful moments in the twilight upon this sleepy train. You are very comfortable and ready for a restful night's sleep. The aura of the sun is slowly fading away, and the night sky is chasing away the sunset. Your eyes are becoming heavy with sleep as you watch the day turn into darkness. The wide meadows have passed by, and the train is entering a forest. The weather cools just a bit, and you can smell the trees as they close in around the train. Dark has settled in. There is a crisp moonlight peeking through the trees as they pass by. The hum of the train is very soothing to you, making you even more sleepy. Your eyes are closed now, and occasionally you open them just for a moment to gaze around the train car and the beautiful view into nature. Now you hear yourself saying, as you drift and float into this dreamy train ride, sleep comes and it restores me and heals me. Nighttime is my time to fully rest and rejuvenate. A restful night's sleep is approaching, and I am just along for the ride. I have done all that I need to do today. Right now, I don't have anything to do but sleep. I breathe peacefully and easily, relaxing my mind and body. Sleep comes over me naturally and willingly. As I become more relaxed and sleepy, this gives my body time to heal. I know how good this is for me right now. Deep and restful sleep is possible every night when I let go of worries and stress. My breath is steady and slow, carrying me into a long night's sleep. As I become sleepier and sleepier, my brain slows, yet my creativity increases. This creative state is void of any of my worries or fears. It is completely open to showing me how to achieve my goals and attain my desires. I am grateful for my day that was lived, and now it has become night. Through sleeping and dreaming, I can accomplish great advances in my psyche, which extend into my waking life. Now is my time to dream. I embrace rest as it's one of nature's natural healing medicines. My body feels very heavy and calm. My muscles are completely relaxed, and any remaining tension completely fades. My mind is quiet and clear. I enjoy waking up refreshed and rejuvenated after a marvelous sleep. I sleep well each and every night. Nothing disturbs me when I sleep. The more rest I get, the more excellent tomorrow will be. I thank my body for allowing me this time of rest and relaxation. I thank my mind for letting go of worries and opening to restfulness through dreaming. No matter how much of my dreams I remember, I know that they are constructive and offer a space for my imagination to flourish. Dreaming and sleeping allow for a great vision and reinventiveness to take place in my mind. I release all my thoughts from the day. I release any tension that I have accumulated from the day. I awaken refreshed and happy when I have gotten the perfect amount of sleep that I need. I am grateful for my bed, my pillow that support me. I am calm and full of peace. Falling asleep is effortless for me, and I know that the words I say and the things I think come into action. I say with confidence every day that I sleep easily and restfully. Each night when I lay down on my soft pillow, I am greeted by sleep, and I welcome this sensation. I sleep so soundly that my body and mind are completely refreshed and ready to accomplish anything. I look forward to going to bed, knowing it will be quiet and relaxing. I look forward to doing all the little things I like to do to prepare for getting ready for bed. I turn off all the lights before getting in bed because darkness releases melatonin in my body, aiding in perfect rejuvenation. Falling asleep happens quickly without any effort. Good. Now just drift and float, not thinking about anything in particular. Just let things come and go as they always do. Sleep is encompassing you now. The train is taking you along for a ride to a new and beautiful destination when you rise. So enjoy this time and allow my voice to completely fade away as the sleepy train rolls along through the wilderness. Thank you, have a good night, and sweet dreams. you.